Hi there, Sophie here. I have just bought an indoor camera so I can watch my pets when I'm away from the home and make sure they are okay. Today I'm just doing a quick unboxing to show you what the camera looks like. Now I have a lot of pets in my home and I want to be able to keep an eye on them when I'm out and about. But this camera can be used for babies or just as a general camera within your home. I also like that this camera has an audio feature so I'm able to use the app to talk to my pets through the camera. It also has a night vision mode and an alarm if this is required. The camera coverage is 360 degrees and it automatically tracks motion within your home, which for me will enable me to keep an eye on what my animals are doing. The camera can also be controlled remotely when you are not at home, so you can see multiple points of the room. I am really looking forward to setting this up and being able to enjoy watching my pets when I'm not there, ensuring they are happy and well by communicating with them verbally through the app. I cannot wait to use this camera and thank you for watching.